Hello everyone, my name is Hatim Jadwala. Today we are going to solve a numerical of geotechnical engineering of topic is soil water relationship. This question was asked in December 2017 for 10 marks. Okay, let's start the numerical. In an earthen embankment under the construction, the bulk unit weight is 16.5 kN per meter cube at water content of 11%. If the water content is to be raised to 15%, compute the quantity of water required to be added per cubic meter of soil. Assume no change in void ratio. Okay. In question it is given as if the bulk unit weight is 16.5 kilonewton at the water content 11%. Okay. The bulk unit weight is 16.5 kilonewton per meter cube at water content will be 11%. Okay. Next, we have to find out what will be the increase in water content when the water content is raised to 15%. Okay, we have to find out quantity of water to be added per cubic meter of the soil when water content is raised to be 15%. Okay, let's start the numerical. First we have to find out what is the dry density of the soil solid. Okay, dry density is given by gamma d equals to bulk unit weight, which is given as gamma 1 for water content 11%. Okay, 1 plus w is the water content w1. Okay, now gamma 1 value is 16.5 divided by 1 plus w1 water content is 11%, which can we can write as 0.11 in fraction. Okay, the answer will be 14.86 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, in this what will be weight of this soil? Okay, the weight of this, the gamma d formula is weight of the solids, okay, divided by total volume of the soil. Okay, now it is a dry density, no water content is present in that. Okay, now it is the weight of the soil will be equal to the weight of soil solid equals to it will be same as the dry density. There will be no water content in that. Okay, it will be 14.86 kilonewton. Okay, it will be per meter cube. Okay, per meter cube. Now what will be weight of moist soil will be equal to bulk density. Okay, the weight of moist soil at 11% will be 11% water content will be which is equals to bulk unit weight. Okay, which will be 16.5 kilonewton per meter cube. Kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, because the unit weight formula is the unit weight of the moist soil divided by total volume. Okay, total volume of the soil. Now we have to calculate how much water is required for 11%. Just we have to minus these values. Okay, now the weight of water at 11% will be, we have to minus this weight of the soil mass minus weight of the soil solid. We will get the what is the weight of water required for 11%. Okay, it will be 1.64 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, per meter cube. Okay, now we have to find out when the water content is raised to 15%. What will be bulk unit weight at this time? Okay, now we have to find out, this is the case 1. Now we have to find out case 2. Okay, what will be the bulk unit weight? The formula will be dry density equals to gamma 2. Okay, bulk unit weight when the water content will be 15%. Now we can write as W2 equals to, what is the gamma? The gamma D we have already find out. Okay, the gamma D value is 14.86 equals to gamma 2, the bulk unit weight, plus water content. The water content is 0.15. Okay, the bulk unit weight, the answer will be W2 equals to 17.08 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, now the weight will be, now the weight of the soil, moist soil, will be 17.08 kilonewton. Okay, which is per meter cube. Now the weight of moist soil will be 17.08. Okay, the weight of moist soil will be at 15%, water content will be 17.08 kilonewton. Okay, per meter cube. Now we have to find out how much water is required when the water content is 15%. Okay, now we have to find out weight of water at 15%. Okay, just we have to minus this value. Okay, the moist value minus soil solid. Okay, 17.08 minus 14.86. The answer will be 2.22 kilonewton per meter cube. Newton per meter cube. Okay, now we have to find out how much amount of water to be added per meter cube to reach 15%. Okay, just we have to minus this value, water content at 15% minus water content at 11%, means 2.2 minus 1.64. Just we have to subtract this value. Okay, therefore amount of water to be added per cubic meter is 2.2 kilonewton minus 1.64 kilonewton. Okay, the answer will be 0.58 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.